In the diagram of circle O, segment JW and segment JV are tangent to circle O at points W and V respectively. If segment JW equals 6 and segment JV equals x divided by 4 plus 2, what is the value of x? B. Which reason justifies the answer for question A? This is what I would do, is I would look for a picture that looked very similar to that one. And I am noticing that it might be in the theorems section. Alright, we're getting close. Alright, so this one is looking similar to it, and it says something about the angle bisector, which is not here because I just want to know about the lines. So on this one, this image also looks similar, so what is the theorem attached to it? So if two segments are tangent to a circle and have common endpoint in the exterior of a circle, then the segments are congruent. Okay, what does that mean? Translation. We have two segments, W and J, and V and J. If you have two segments that hit a circle only one time, and they both have the same starting point outside of the circle, J, in this case, then they're going to be congruent. That's the one that we are going to use for this because it allows us to create an equation. So statement B would be tangent segments from the same external point are congruent. Same external point, point J. That is what it's talking about by same external point. So now that we know that they are congruent, we can create an equation. So that means that JW, the distance of JW is equal to the distance of JV. The distance of JW was given to be 6, and the distance of JV was given to be x divided by 4 plus 2. So now it wants us to solve for x. So again, that's not really right now quite like I would like it to be, so I will handwrite this one. So we have 6 is equal to x divided by 4 plus 2. So again, we want a goal to be x equals some number. So right now we have x being divided by 4 and added to by 2. So I'm going to subtract the 2 to both sides. So 6 minus 2 is 4. That equals x divided by 4 plus nothing is still x divided by 4. Positive 2 minus 2 is 0, so we have plus 0, and in math, since 0 doesn't add to the value, we do not write it. So then we are left with x divided by 4. On this side, we're becoming closer. So we're going to use the inverse operation. Since it's being divided by 4, we're going to be multiplying it by 4 on both sides. So 4 times 4 is 16. That equals x divided by 4 times multiplied by 4. 4 divided by 4 reduces down to 1, so we have 1x. Have we met our goal? Yes, because in math, this 1 is implied by mathematicians. If you have an x, you have at least one value of them. So x is equal to 16, and that's how we would solve this.